Langford, white, female, 1-year-old, height 3 feet even, weight 40.
This thing is gonna give me a headache. It's broken. 1 second. Ah! Can you please, man? There we go. I'm trying to get... God, it's blinking that light now. Great, so it's just dead. This is gonna give me a headache. There goes no one. Forget it. Forget it, man. Oh, you've gotta be kidding me. There was WXJ97. Wait a second. Who is that? Okay, so you're something's wrong with you. Alright, so another CAE. You didn't fail this time. Yay! Cut you off. You activated. Everything here activated. Except for this. Have it off. So, every radio activated. Except for that one because it's set for negative. Nice. Did you fail too? You've gotta be kidding me. What's wrong with this thing? Anyway, oh well. I think that's the only area that's failed. Yeah. That's everything. Alright, now it's time for the direct audio of ArkLaTex Weather TV.
The higher rain rates will likely not begin until... Female, 1-year-old, height 3 feet even, weight 40 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes and Aiden Langford, white, male, 4 months old, height 2 feet 6 inches, weight 25 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, last seen wearing unknown clothing. Police are looking for Tiffany Weaver, 31 years old, white, female, height 5 feet 7 inches, weight 135 pounds, blonde hair, hazel eyes and Aaron Langford, 29 years old, white, male, height 6 feet 02 inches, weight 169 pounds, red hair, green eyes, last seen wearing unknown clothing, in connection with their abduction. The suspects are driving a white, 2005, Chrysler, van bearing TX license plate number BP9603. The suspects were last seen in Silsbee, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Hardin County Sheriff's Office at 409-246-5101. News media point of contact is Hardin County Sheriff's Office at 409-246-5273.